Time works against you. Every single day, if the stock hasn't moved in your direction, your option is losing value. This is brutal on long-dated positions that don't move. Liquidity traps. You buy an option, but then you want to sell it. There's nobody buying. Now you're stuck, watching your option decay to zero. Complexity equals mistakes. Options have spreads, straddles, collars, iron condors. It's easy to think you're protected when you're not. I've seen traders lose money they definitely didn't understand they could lose. Your broker controls exercise. Some brokers auto-exercise, some don't. Some have weird rules about options expiring. Read the fine print. Here's the honest truth. Options are a tool. The tool itself isn't bad, but using it wrong, that's devastating. Most beginner options traders lose money, not because options are scams, but because they treat it like a lottery ticket instead of understanding what they're doing. Let me give you a real example so this isn't abstract. It's January 2026. Tesla stock is trading at $200. You think it's going up to $220 by March. Option 1. Buy shares. You buy 100 shares for $20,000. If Tesla goes to 220, you made $2,000. That's a 10% return. If Tesla drops to 180, you lost $2,000, but you still own the shares. Option 2. Buy call options. You buy one call option contract with a $210 strike price expiring in March. It costs $2 per share, equals $200. If Tesla goes to 220, your $200 investment could be worth $1,000. That's a 500% return. If Tesla stays at 200 or drops, your $200 is gone. Zero. Nothing to show for it. Option 3. Sell covered calls. You own 100 shares of Tesla, $20,000. You're happy just holding it. You sell one call option with a $220 strike price for January 31st. You collect $200. If Tesla stays below 220, you keep your shares and that $200. It's like getting paid to wait. If Tesla jumps to 230, your shares get called away, but you still made $2,000 on the stock plus $200 from the call. Total win. See how the same tool can be used 3 different ways? That's why options aren't inherently bad or good. Context matters. If you're actually interested in options, here's my advice.